AT&T Business Wi-Fi provides a customer portal where you can easily manage your business and gain customer insight, including monitoring network performance, viewing customer reports, checking the status of orders and support tickets, and managing users and permissions. To get started, you'll receive a welcome email with a login button. By clicking on that button, you'll be able to quickly set up your password. Once you've successfully logged in, you can give access to other users in your business by clicking on Continue to Dashboard. To set up additional users, simply go to the Account page, select the Users tab, and click Create New User. Now enter the new user information. Choose a business role to determine access privileges, and a welcome email will automatically be sent out to that user. It's really that quick and easy. AT&T Business Wi-Fi, a highly secure public and private Wi-Fi and wired network that helps simplify the management of your business.